Unleash the power of Apple. Looking for the latest and greatest Apple products? Look no further. From sleek iPhones to powerful MacBooks and everything in between, we've got you covered. Experience the pinnacle of mobile technology with the latest iPhone models. From stunning displays to cutting-edge cameras, there's an iPhone for everyone. Elevate your productivity with the unrivaled performance of a MacBook. Whether you're a student, creative professional, or business mogul, there's a MacBook to suit your needs. Stay connected and stylish with the revolutionary Apple Watch. Track your fitness, receive notifications, and express your personal style with this must-have accessory. Immerse yourself in rich, high-quality sound with Apple's iconic AirPods. Whether you're jamming out to your favorite tunes or taking calls on the go, AirPods deliver an unparalleled listening experience. Plus, enjoy seamless integration across all your Apple devices with iCloud and other innovative features. Contact us now to get your hands on the latest Apple gear and take your tech game to the next level. Dig & Decker, technology that transforms businesses.